So what's up, TikTok, YouTube? This your boy. I got my homie with me. We got a couple mini bikes. It's Mini Bike Monday. We just cooling, dude. We down here at the lot, you know what I'm saying?
Mini Monday.
Mini Monday. Mini Monday. I don't care if y'all see my tag. That. Alright, bro, so we gonna get to it, man. Let's do some stunts, bro. Do a little lot. We got a night session coming. It's Mini Bike Monday. Tonight, we are going back to that lot, bro. We're going back to the lot.
Yeah.
This is the second time going to the night sessions lot. See, I ain't even warmed up yet. We do this so honest. Fuck it. Do some circles to warm up, dude. Just see where I'm at here. That's what I've been messing with heavily is the circles. Trying to see, you know, just how far I can push them. What? Nice little circle. Oh shit. Cover it up. Oh, we're back. Ah! Can't touch that. I want it. Alright, let's do it. Little birdie. Back to the little circles. You know what I'm saying, man? You know what I'm saying? Alright, there's a lot of sand on our lot too, bro. Like, so much sand. I gotta keep my head up because my GoPro clip broke, man. It broke. Let's see what he does. Not yet. Oh! I'm in the sand! Ah! That sucked! It was horrible. Nobody wants to see that shit, man. There you go. There you go. There you go. Ah! So shaky, so fast. How does that happen like that? I don't know. I'm kind of tired today. I'm alright. We just been chilling. We just be cool. Alright, let's try another circle. So, we haven't decided really what bikes that we're going to take to Savannah yet. I think we're going to end up taking the big bikes. I'm hoping we can end up taking the big bikes. It's going to be cheaper for us instead of driving down there. We're just going to show up on the big bikes like early too. It's going to be cold on the ride down there. But we're going to give you guys all the content. Don't worry. All of it. But that's a plan update because we're not going to be there the 16th. Now I'm going bowling with my family on the 16th. So, you know. What? No! Ah! Foot brake! Foot brake! Foot brake! Alright, let's try another circle. There we go. Alright. What's up? Alright. Clutch killing you? I think that's where it's supposed to be, isn't it? I mean, I got a little bit of play in mind now, but I don't like the play. Yeah, so I really have no more directive to talk to you guys, so we're just gonna talk. You guys know I'm working on trying to talk while I wheelie. Well, I'm getting better at that. Ooh, what was that pop? At least like just chilling anyway. Let's go! Let's go! What you wanna do? Ah, I'm out. That little line in the road is a pain in my ass, man. Ow! I was too tired. I was too tired. Ah! Oh, homie been doing his thing, like, what? He's getting so much better, man. It's not even funny. Both of us are. We putting in the work, boy. Putting in the work. So I know our little dead end sessions, like, aren't like the craziest. Oh, let me get out of his way. Like I was saying, I know our dead end sessions ain't like the craziest ever. What? Shit happens and, you know. But it's more just, you know, we have to have somewhere close to us to make content. And it makes sense. You know what I'm saying? Like, this makes sense. I don't know why it makes so much sense, but nobody messes with us. Like, I don't know if you guys noticed that, but nobody messes with us here. They're like, oh, hey, they're doing wheelie. Okay. And we appreciate that because we need our space to, you know, practice and get better and hit each other. What? I've been working them sit down scrapes, baby. I like them better than double backs. They just seem more like, I don't know, intense. Ah, foot brake, man. Yo, bro. It's okay, people. Everyone learns at their own pace. Everybody's gonna learn. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. That's what we're out here for, boy. Let's cut it down a little bit, see what happens. That deer stinks so bad. I shouldn't have had so much caffeine. Like, boy, did I get it. See what I got. What? Scrape City! Turn around. Hey, buddy. Gotta do it for the kids, man. The kids love it. So happy to, you know, just see us for a second. He's like, oh, Dad, wheelies. I don't know, bro. Karma gonna get his ass for that. River back hump. Hey, hey, hey! I'm Bad Habit. That's Big Colby. We YouTube's newest moto vloggers. We signing out, dude. Hey, hey. You ready? You ready? You ready? You ready? Do it again. You ready? You ready? Huh? You ready? Boom. Huh? In sync. Can you? Ow! And we have arrived. Oh my God, it's cold. Yo, so we're out here. This your boy. We out here for live session number 2. I'm gonna drop my backpack off here. I'm not warmed up at all, dude. Mini-bike Monday! Mini-bike Monday! Let's go! Oh. Don't do that, little Joe. Why would you do that? You're not high enough. Hold on, let's just try to cut you up just a little bit. Oh my God, I can't get a single scrape in, dude. Alright guys, we're out here at night session number 2. Double back though, who wants that shit? Who wants that shit? Let's get the knee knocker 100s. What? Transfer to sit down. Let's get the cycle. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.